A warm welcome to everyone and thank you so much for having me. This morning, I had a beautiful dream. It was a perfect day. The air felt so cool and the sky was a painting of Claude Monet. It was an epic feeling. In that moment, I opened my eyes and the reality set in. It wasn't a perfect morning anymore. I could feel the tense situation around me. All I could hear was the media focus on COVID-19. In that moment, I realized that my dream wasn't just a dream. That used to be my life before the pandemic. And I realized how coronavirus has changed my life. Not just my lifestyle, coronavirus has indeed turned all our lives upside down. And I'm sure you all agree with me on this. The novel coronavirus is a defining global health crisis. But the pandemic is much more than a health crisis. It has the potential to create devastating social, economic, and political effects that will leave long-lasting scars. Coronavirus is the greatest test put on us, and we must succeed in it. Those who cannot remember the past are doomed to repeat it. It is a very good quote by George Santayana. From our past experience, we carry lessons for our future. In similar, this is not the first time we experienced a pandemic that left us in pain, suffering, and death of thousands. Today's COVID-19 is similar to that of 1918 Spanish flu. Spanish flu is considered one of the deadliest in history. It was a period of long struggle and hard work that finally defeated the flu. The history taught us many lessons for our future survival with future pandemics. Many public healthcare measures we see being enacted today across the world to contain coronavirus spread are Spanish flu's most enduring effects. After all, pandemic is inevitable. We did learn from the past. People across the world understood the need to coordinate global response and the need to expand scientific knowledge. When compared to the past, we are well developed now. But I ask myself, is that enough? Are we developed enough to succeed such a pandemic again? Well, coronavirus made us realize that it is time we should rethink about everything. We should rethink about the way we are leading our lives and rethink about our future. I lie awake at night wondering what would the post-pandemic world look like. Would it be a great opportunity for us to change our world into a safe new world, or would it be another period of Great Depression? Don't you have the same question in your mind? There are a number of possible futures, all dependent on how we and government respond to COVID. I hope that we will use this crisis to rebuild and produce something better and safe. Coronavirus has forced humankind to innovate and change the way we are leading our lives and the way we work. Today, I would like to bring upon my opinion and thoughts on how the post-pandemic world would look like. It is the post-pandemic future of contactless interactions. I am sure that by the time of COVID-19 end, people of different regions would create their own form of namaste. Social distancing isn't a choice anymore, it is a rule, thus creating need for contactless transactions. In the future, we may experience the increasingly benefits of contactless transactions between person to person. We did not let the pandemic stop all our activities thanks to digital solutions. As we move on, digital payments could overcome the habit of paying with cash, making the transactions easy and safe. This technology could be expanded to the use of ATMs also. In the present pandemic context, we see millions of students acquiring education through educational apps. With everything going digital, we need to assure efficiency in learning methods too. Though there are many technological problems being faced by students and teachers, virtual classroom process can be an option rather than choice. Coronavirus forced people to adapt to working from home. I realized that traveling from one country to another just for a single meeting isn't always essential. With digital solutions to perform meetings between individuals of different countries, there is a great possibility of continuing the same process in the future. The post-COVID world could be known as the era of artificial intelligence. With increasing stress on contactless interactions, AI technologies could be accelerated. Consider the use of robotics for disinfection and to perform regular and routine tasks in hospitals. This keeps the staff safe and more available to patient care. drone delivery could become a regular part of our life. So far, we have discussed on how our life and daily routines would be in a post-pandemic world. But what about our Mother Earth? Does the way we interact with our planet change? Ecosystems in nature function similar to a human body. As long as an ecosystem is healthy, it is less likely to be a source of a disease. Nowadays, we see a lot of people traveling to rural areas, and there is a great increase in natural resources. Thus, deforestation. As the human activities expand, our interaction with wildlife animals also increased, making us easily exposed to the diseases and viruses they carry. The new research suggests that outbreaks of animal-borne illness will become more frequent in the future. We are the product of this beautiful nature which has the capacity to heal, nurture and destroy everything, even us. This is the time we should take a step ahead before it's too late, and we should do right by nature's side. Coronavirus also has many psychological effects on people. We see people losing their jobs, people struggling for money, and worse, people who lost their loved ones. Heart-tearing stories of people who could not attend the funeral of their loved ones made me weep. Indeed, our lives were turned upside down. This is the time we should never give up on hope. This is the time when human relations become the most valuable thing. Let us never forget the lessons COVID taught us and work together for a better future. Finally, I ask you all to please wash your hands, sanitize, and protect your loved ones. Thank you.